All right, make sure you don't have any drippy edges. It's your job to go ahead and smooth all of those out. That is a vertical surface, so you're going to want to add heat to it, and that thins it out so that way you can get those smooth edges. All right, after you're done popping all of your bubbles, cover your piece up. I just use a 4x8 sheet of insulation. I have smaller ones if I do smaller pieces. Let that cure for a couple of days. I do not flip my pieces over until about 4 to 5 days. I don't want them indenting or doing anything like that.